execute. Spindle spinning at the highest rate, milling the steel, no room for late. Sharp cutters moving through the block, precision flow around the clock, turning the parts on the lot so fast, built for the strength, built to last. Milling, turning, high speed flow, watch the metal chips start to go. Master of the machine, the cleanest cut that you've ever seen. Focus on the craft, focus on the line, focus on the line, making every single surface shine. Precision, power, every single time. Wire cut EDM moving with the light, mirror finish surfaces glowing bright, sparking the path, cutting through the core, giving you the accuracy, giving you more. Gear cutting teeth, locking in the force, stay on the track, stay on the course. Milling, turning, wire cut gears. The ultimate accuracy is here.